Hello, hello. May peace and blessings be with you. I am going to totally nerd out about the topic of posting reels, whether we should post them from our phone or from our computer. If you are not normal like me, you'll be like, why would I do that from a computer? I don't know. I just have fun and love testing all different scenarios with tech, as you know. I have been going out for walks in the afternoon or sometimes in the morning, and I have been recording short videos that I was converting into reels directly from my phone and posting on Instagram. And the way I would post them was I would post them to my business Instagram account first, and I would add my personal account as a collaborator. And since I had the cross posting turned on, it would cross post to Facebook automatically. Once it was done, then I would share the reel from my business Instagram as a story. And again, the story would also get cross posted to Facebook. Life was good. So from Facebook, I was taking it a step further. I would go to my business page and I would share it to my personal profile on Facebook. And then I would create a story and I would share it on my personal as well. So all of that originated initially on Instagram. So the metrics were also getting tracked, even though it's getting cross posted to Facebook and all that good stuff. It was really helping. It was a beautiful process until yesterday. I was in a little bit of a funk and I decided not to record while I was on my walk. I had this inspiration to record from my computer because I was sharing a tech tip and I thought I could just do it from my computer. So when I did that, then I was like, oh, let me just edit this on CapCut desktop from my computer. So I had the reel ready to go. It got to be pretty late last night. So I was like, okay, forget it. I'll just post it tomorrow. So today I went to post, and instead of downloading the reel on my phone and posting from my phone like I had been doing in the past, I decided to post it directly from my desktop. And I learned a few things that are not super ideal. So I'm going to share my screen and just show you that, just so that you know what doesn't work, so that if you're in the same boat, you don't do that and try to just post from your phone instead, because I think you get more choices and you're able to do more with it if you do it from your phone. Okay, my plan was to also show you my phone screen, but I realized that I use a PC desktop and I can't show my iPhone phone screen while live streaming from StreamYard. If I was on Zoom, I could do it, but from StreamYard, I'm not able to do it. At least I have not figured that out yet. If you know how to do it, let me know. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen and we are going to take a quick look. Okay, so what you're looking at is my Instagram account. I basically went in here and I clicked on create and I created a new post and I uploaded the video. This was the reel. And then after doing that, it also asked me if I had a cover image. So I uploaded that also because I created that in CapCut as well. But what I realized with this was when I look at the post view, it is cutting off the text at the bottom. So I did not really like that. When I post from my phone, I do get the ability to adjust the grid view in addition to the cover image for your reel. So that was one thing I did not like. The other thing I realized is that it does not cross post for some reason to your Facebook if it's posted from your desktop. And if I try to go in to edit, it still doesn't let me. It doesn't even give me that option. It doesn't even show me that it's going to cross post to Facebook. So that was not ideal. So then I was like, okay, it's okay. I will just do it manually. So I went to my phone. I opened up this reel and I basically shared it to my Facebook account. It did get posted. However, okay. So it did get posted, but it just got posted in a very strange way. Like it says it's Instagram, which looks very different than how the other ones normally get posted. If I scroll down a little bit, I can show you. See how when I shared the reel directly from when I guess Facebook cross posted directly from Instagram, it did it this way. Here it's actually really literally just posting seems like a link to Instagram, and it's not showing the cover image, it's showing the grid view image, and I don't really like that at all. And to my surprise, I could not create a story from this post here. So if I click on this, it doesn't really let me create a story. Even if I click on this, it actually takes me back to Instagram and I can't really create a Facebook story from that. So based on all of this craziness, what I've learned is that not to post from your desktop. Instead, use your phone to post. And I'm just going to hop over to my phone real quick just so that I can maybe show you what that looks like. Give me 1 second. Okay, so I know I can't quite share my screen fully, but my phone screen, but here's what I am talking about. So how would I take it from my desktop to my phone? I would just drop it in my Google Drive. I would, the finished reel that CapCut created, I would just drop that into my Google Drive and pick it up from my phone, from my Google Drive, and I would just post it from there. So let me actually just do that real quick. Give me 1 second. So here's my videos folder. I'm just going to go to my folder on my computer that has my CapCut videos. I'll show you that too. That's what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm going to go to my videos here. It's this one. So see how I have the cover image and also the video itself. So I'm going to grab both of them and I am just going to, I have highlighted, so both are selected. I'm going to click and I'm going to drag and drop. And I'm just going to drop them like that over here. It doesn't really matter where it goes because it's fine. I mean, if you want to create a subfolder, you can, but literally just going to grab them and then I'll be done with it. Okay, so once I have done that, then I am going to go to my phone. I basically went to my Google Drive and I see the video on my Google Drive. So I'm just going to go in here and I'm going to, instead of playing it, I'm just going to download it. So I am back on Instagram on my phone and I'm going to click on this little plus at the bottom and I am going to make a selection of an existing video. Beautiful stuff. Okay, so I'm actually not going to do all kinds of editing and all that. I'm just taking the video and I am just going to hit next. And beautiful soul. I am just literally like, how to create a reel. I won't go into all that. I actually did other training on Reels separately. If you need help with that, let me know. I am happy to share the link for that. Okay, so I'm just going to hit next because I want to show you what this shows at the bottom. So on this screen, you're going to see a couple of things. You can select your cover image and you can adjust when you hit the edit cover. You get two options. You get the cover and also the profile grid. So you can actually specify on the grid view, like what exactly you want to show. So hopefully face is not cutting off, right? So I do adjust that a little bit. And then for the cover, I make sure like I pick a good looking image. And then I hit done. And then on this screen, see at the bottom, it says post to Facebook page. And I have my business Facebook page connected. So this is how it gets cross-posted. So that is what I wanted to show, but I did not get that option at all when I tried to post from the desktop. So if you're, trying to figure this out, this is a kind of a big deal. And I always just tag myself, invite under tag people. I tap on that and I press invite collaborators and I invite myself. I always do that. That way, when I accept from my personal, it also gets posted on my personal Instagram. So I basically post it on both Instagrams. And the way the metrics work, they get tracked on both places. Hopefully, it's not an issue. Hopefully, Instagram doesn't dig me for that because technically it's duplicate content. But I'm not really posting in two places. I'm just adding my personal account as a collaborator. So I think it's okay. I think that part's okay. All right. So that's what I do. After the reel is posted, then I open the reel and I share it as a story on my business one, and it goes over and posted as a story on my Facebook as well. So I'm trying to simplify it and do as little amount of work as possible as I'm doing this. If I want to be creating content all the time, we just got to make it efficient and we are good to go. Okay, I hope this was helpful. I will be back another time with another tech tutorial. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do that. Go to youtube.com/@simplify1thing. If you would like tech tips delivered to your inbox, go to my website, which is simplifyonething.com. Scroll all the way to the bottom and get added to my weekly newsletter. I send out tech tips, tech tutorials, and all kinds of fun things via email to my whoever's on my email list. If you are in need of some killer Canva training, I got you covered. If you go to my website, under services, you'll see free resources. So sign yourself up for that as well, so that you are creating content like a pro. All right, friends, I will see you next time. May peace and blessings be with you. Bye.